Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest updates and tips for making the most out of your digital experiences. Today, we're going to cover a simple yet essential feature that many of you might find useful: how to copy a chat message on WhatsApp using your PC. This is especially handy if you're working remotely or prefer the comfort of a larger screen for managing your conversations. First things first, ensure you have WhatsApp web open on your browser. If you haven't linked your mobile device yet, simply scan the QR code displayed on the screen with your WhatsApp app to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats listed on the left side of the screen. Navigate through these to find the specific chat you want to work with. Now, let's say you've found a message that you need to copy. Maybe it's an important piece of information, a funny joke, or a crucial piece of data you want to share elsewhere. Whatever the reason, the process is straightforward. Hover your mouse over the message until you see a small menu icon appear beside it. However, for a quicker and more intuitive approach, you can simply right-click on the message itself. Upon right-clicking, a context menu will pop up with several options. Look for the Copy option and click on it. This action will copy the entire text of the message to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into any document, email, or another chat window. The beauty of using WhatsApp on your PC is the ease of managing your messages across different platforms. Whether you're working on a project and need to reference a conversation, or you just want to share a funny meme with a friend, copying messages is a breeze. Plus, if you're using a keyboard, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste, making the process even faster. In conclusion, copying chat messages on WhatsApp using your PC is a simple task that can save you a lot of time and effort. It's perfect for both personal and professional use, allowing you to efficiently manage your conversations and share information across different platforms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital experiences.